Top myths about summer tires versus winter tires. There's a lot to talk about here. Summer tires are designed to be soft and pliable in warm temperatures. Winter tires are designed to be soft and pliable in cold temperatures. The softer the tire, the better that tire can stay in touch with the ground, which is what you need to maintain traction and stay safe. At the same time of having different rubber compounds in them, they have very different tread compounds, and some, like this one behind me, might even be studded for even more aggressive traction. So, if you live here in Colorado, it's important to have a good all-season tire year-round, but at the same time, it's even more important to have a dedicated winter tire just for that shoulder season from, let's say, November to April. Now, a good all-season I recommend year-round in Colorado rather than a dedicated summer, simply because with mountain driving conditions and with the storms that we get, we want you to have something that's prepared any time of year. That all-season will do you okay year-round, pretty darn good in the summer, spring, and fall. In the winter is really its poorest time to shine. We want you to have the best capacity and always have the best tools in your arsenal. As the Michelin Man said, there's nothing more important than what's riding on your tires, and we want to protect that. So, make sure you have a dedicated set of either all seasons for the year or an additional set of winter tires that we can help mount, remount, and store for you in the winter time so you don't have to. Live in an apartment, don't got anywhere to do it, we'll take care of that for you. Come and see us twice a year to do your annual tire changes, and we'll actually align the vehicle at the same time as well to make sure you're getting the most fuel economy and keeping those suspension components in check. So really, by taking care of the tires to take care of your car's really getting better service all the way around. You could run it until those tires fall off, but the most important thing is to think about those other drivers on the road. You might be a great driver, and you might be able to drive your front-wheel drive Civic with bald tires and a manual transmission in a foot of snow, uphill both ways over broken glass, because you're a hero. But can the other guy on the road? And can you stop well in the event that the other person isn't as skilled a driver as you are? Think about that, and think about your tires.